Hello, people.
You were too late. You gotta wait till it starts ticking.
Oh.
Let's do it now.
Hello, people.
Hi guys, what's up? We're back. We're actually on our way out the Louisburg Highway today, and I think we're gonna revisit Gooseberry Cove. So maybe we'll show you a little bit of the ride on the way, and possibly some nice drone footage when we get there. See how it goes, guys, because it's pretty windy today.
But beautiful, guys. Beautiful day.
It is beautiful, so have a little look.
Don't complain. We had a long winter.
So I guess we'll see you when we get there, guys. Peace. Guys, we're here, we arrived. We're finally at Gooseberry Cove. We're gonna head in, recheck the area out. Last time we were here, all this gravel wasn't down. That just stopped right there, but it is a beautiful area, guys. We recommend you come check this place out. It's not hard to find. You head down towards Little Lorraine off the Louisburg Highway. Turn that off now. Just to close it out, it'll stop. So you may see wildlife out here, guys. There's all types of coyotes and stuff out here. We seen tracks last time we were here. But last time we were here it was fall. And it's just coming on summer now, so it should be even better out here this time. You can see how green everything is. I hope you don't get bad wind issues. I do have the mic covered. I still didn't get my cable in the mail yet, but it's on the way, guys. He shipped it. He sent me confirmation and a tracking number. Be right back, guys. I got a shoelace to do. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Had to tie some shoelaces up. Came undone. So it's not a long walk into the cove. It's a nice shady area until you hit the cove. Then you're gonna see some beautiful scenery. Place is amazing, and just down the road from it there's another one called Wild Cove, and we're going to check that one out today, but it won't be in this video. That will be a totally separate video. So I mean, while we're out here, we might as well make the best of it. and film 2 videos. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, as they would say. Just wait until we reach the coastline, guys. You will absolutely love it. So I'm going to stop here until we get to the coast and catch you back in a minute. Okay guys, after about another 3-4 minute walk, this is what you come to. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that, guys. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to get my drone out. I'm going to get you guys some nice footage right here. So until then, I'll catch you back in beautiful coastline. Please let us know what you think, guys. I know everybody that does visit here calls this the most beautiful place on earth, and I'm talking about the whole island, not just this one little spot. But here's the next cove. Look at those rocks, guys. Gorgeous. Just like my little baby. So what do you think, guys? Leave us some comments. Look at the hill up there. Last time I was here, I said it would remind you of like Scotland. Just look at the coast. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Last time we were here, we climbed up on top of that hill. Just look at the water down in there.
Look how greenish it is. It's beautiful.
Look at that, guys. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. What do you think? I think this here one is my favorite spot out of all the places we were so far. This one will be my favorite, guys. It's the most beautiful one that I've seen yet. called Gooseberry Cove. Just those rock formations are just awesome. Can you imagine how many ships back in the early 1800s wrecked out off of this coast? I don't think you would be able to pilot a ship in through here easily. Come on, babe, we'll stop here on the way back. Let's get out further. So leave us your thoughts, guys. Actually, the more that you comment on the channel, the better a chance you're going to have at winning that drone. Because when it comes time to draw for it, I'm going to run it through a YouTube contest thing, and that's what it's going to look for, is comments on the channel and likes. So you want that drone, that's your best way to get it. And we're going to give it away, guys. It should be here soon now. I got an email this morning saying that it just landed in Canada on the 13th. But the email they gave me today said they're going to hold it 2 more weeks from today. I guess it's because of the COVID-19 thing, right? If there's any trace of virus on it whatsoever. It can only last up to 14 days on material. That's what they think. So after the 14 days are up, they'll ship it the rest of the way to me. That is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The Fortress of Liqwyd, guys, is way over there. Way over around the end of that point out there. And we'll probably go there again this summer, as long as they open it up again. I don't think it's open right now. And there's actually another cove over by Liqwyd that we want to get to, that we tried to last year, but they closed it down because of the weather, and there was so much deadfall in the woods there. And along the shore, along the beach, they wouldn't let anybody down there. Oh, walking on this, it's like a mattress, guys, or a box spring. It's right, you know, it's like a pillow. Really soft, really squishy. It's not wet. Don't get me wrong there, it's not wet. But it's like walking on springs. So we get over here, guys, I'm going to fire the drone back up over here and film some of this coastline. Give you guys a good view. I know a lot of you guys enjoy the aerial footage I put in the videos now. And that's why I got the drone. I thought you guys would enjoy that. What do you think of this area, babe? Beautiful, eh? Don't go too close to that edge. Oh, there's a big split in the rock, guys. You see that? It's right down. Selfie girl wants pictures, but I don't like her getting too close to the edge. Check that out. Absolutely awesome. Huh? What? Yeah, it is nice. Okay, guys, so we're gonna grab some pictures here and I'll be right back. Catch it in. Hey guys, what's up? Well, that's about it for the day. Give you one last view of the area here. We're on our way out, gonna head home now. I got you guys some sweet drone footage from here. If it hadn't have been so windy, guys, I would have flew right out to the end of the point and showed you all around there. But it's just too much high wind today. And if I was to upload every bit of drone footage I took today, you guys would see what I'm talking about. Because when the drone moves around like this in the wind, you get big black gaps on the side of the screen. And you get high wind warnings. So I don't want to lose almost $1,000 drone. So with that being said, guys, subscribe to the channel, get a chance at that drone we're going to give away. We'll do that as soon as we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. Right now we're at 549, so we're climbing, we're getting close, guys. I do know people that it took up to 5 years to reach where we're at today, so we're doing awesome. Thanks for your help, we love you all. Comment down below, guys, we want to see what you think of these areas. Make sure your post notifications are on, and until the next one,
Catch you later.
I'm falling, I'll push on.